Night teacher, my name is John Carlos Rodriguez. I study engineering the system effect of technology on the environment. According to the topic, I would like to introduce about how important has the technology effect inside the environment. It has produced many changes around the world through the years. Some of the have been negative and another have been positive. Today technology transfer to impacts of the environment in order to adapt to humans. In this process are used national resources such as territory, air, water, and energy source. If we see the fission, technology includes a large market of the world economy. For this reason, we have dealt the capacity about environment resource. It has occasioned a very big damage to the planet. I would like to mention some of the negative aspects more relevant. First one, the environmental impact of technology creation as produce contamination due to the treatment of raw material of energy source, which co-waste generated by this industry evidence the damage where once fertile lands were turned into deserts. For example, illegal mining exploitation. On the other hand, I would like to mention the positive aspect, the implementation of ecologic points that is responsible for recycling technological waste that come from companies or people who are committed to caring for the environment. Second one, raise awareness in the human store conservation and research program that help the recovery of ecosystem such as electronic cars, smart home, and digital transformation. I believe that with implementation of clean, green or environmental technologies, they help meeting secondary effect generated and environmental balance in the ecosystem, conserving natural resources to the maximum, stopping the negative impact that humans have when creating all these elements of planet. Thanks, teacher.